The 3Dmate 3D Pen Filament Set stands out for its generous range of 36 bright PLA colors and long total length, giving plenty of material for extended drawing sessions and detailed projects. The included heat-resistant silicone mat, with both smooth and grooved surfaces, makes it much easier to guide lines, keep shapes accurate, and peel off finished pieces without damage. A compact stencil book with multiple themed templates helps beginners and children quickly gain confidence while still offering enough variety to inspire more advanced designs. The filaments are made to a consistent diameter that feeds smoothly through most compatible three-dimensional pens and printers, which greatly reduces clogging and uneven flow. Each color is individually vacuum sealed, so the strands stay dry, clean, and ready to use, and the tidy case keeps everything organized between projects. Overall, this set feels thoughtfully put together as a complete starter and refill bundle that supports safe, odor-free, and frustration-free creative play for both kids and adults.